Introducing the Haas hydrodynamic 12-foot bar feeder. This is a bar feeder engineered for stable, high-speed operation. What does hydrodynamic mean when it comes to bar feeding? Okay, let's take a closer look at this. So here's a 1/2-inch diameter bar that's inside the channel. It's resting on the channel. The channel cavity is slightly larger than the bar diameter. So what's going to happen is, once I close the channel and it locks into place, this will fill with oil, and that oil will surround the bar. It'll center it, it'll hold it in place. It'll act like a damping mechanism and maintain exceptional support at high RPMs. For even greater precision, a dedicated anti-vibration device acts as an independent stabilizer, neutralizing harmonic vibrations as the bar enters the lathe. Together, these systems provide a dual support and allow for faster speeds, resulting in better finishes and reducing cycle times. This stability allows for speeds of up to 8,000 RPM. Even if your lathe spindle doesn't reach those speeds, this high ceiling ensures the feeder remains solid and vibration-free at your machine's maximum output. It uses a different interface approach and requires precision bars for optimal performance. This system accommodates lengths of up to 12 feet. It supports a wide diameter range from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. Changeovers are fast and user-friendly, with collets available in both metric and inch sizes, enabling quick switches between bar diameters. For diameters outside the current range, simply swap to the appropriate pushrod and guide channel. They're available in ranges from 20mm to 56mm. As a push-to-stop bar feeder, the turret acts as the physical stop. Each bar advances until contact, ensuring repeatable results, while the last part automatically ejects into the remnant tray. Setup is straightforward via the touchscreen control, and it requires no special interface. Just run it with your G105 program. The system operates with 11 to 12 gallons of oil, with the option for both power and air to be conveniently connected directly through your lathe. If you typically run full 12-length bars, then you don't need the additional saw operations before running them in this bar feeder. Compared to the Haas Bar Feeder V12, this feeder offers the same capacity but produces fewer remnants, meaning less material waste and lower cost per part. Go to the automation section of haascnc.com and check out more info about the Haas Bar Feeder 12.